Hello friends, welcome back to the channel. I have a headphone from Sony and I'm gonna demonstrate today how to change the soft buds for the Sony WH-XM900N series. As you can see in my case, the soft buds have completely been damaged. It's been almost like 5 years. Of course, I did get this solution on eBay where I got the replacement soft buds and they look of better quality definitely from mine right now. So I'm going to be installing this. I'll show you how do you do that. It's going to be pretty simple and easy. So what you basically do is go around the corners around over here and you place your fingers around over here and try to basically pull this solution out. So you would see a rubber matting coming out over here. So it's kind of very easy to replace it, remove this thing, because of course it's done. I'm gonna thrash it. Similar thing you do on the other side. It's little tight, so be watchful. Yep, so you see both of my pads are out. I'm gonna put it aside. I'm gonna do a little blow up onto it so that if any dust particles were there around over here, it is out. Now just pick this thing up. Be watchful of one of the grooves around over here, or basically the joint out over here. This needs to be on the bottom part and this part doesn't have that joint, so it needs to be on the top part. It's going to be a little challenging around over here when you're fitting this, so I'll demonstrate that. So you are going to start around from the top. As you can see, let me redo that. So what I'm gonna do it, I tried putting it from the top. This part is kind of getting in between. So just move your headphone around a little bit at an angle and then try fitting this. So it's a little challenging, but you can do it. It's easy. So you see it's going into the spot. Just be mindful around over here. It's soft, so just go easy. Almost there. Go. And once you do it in a better way, you will hear the clipping sound also. And this is the last part, and there you go. This is almost done. Yep, there you go. A little packing around over here, I think, so I need adjustment. But yeah, if you see, so as you can see, the fitting has been done perfectly. Be mindful when there would be two slots out over here where the packing, if you can see there is a packing out over here, this might interrupt your fitting. But if you do it very easily, it should be able to be done smoothly. Just be mindful. Let's do it on the other part. I can show you that thing again. So if you notice around at this section, it is not visible, but there is a groove around over here. That is where this guy would fit out over there. So I'm gonna show that part. It's a little challenging, as I said. So I'm gonna start from the other side where the packing goes easily, as you can see out over here. Oops, it came out. Okay. And so guys, if you see, finally I have installed both of the soft pads. I have replaced the old one with the new one. They look right now back again brand new. Feels like a new life. So guys, if you like the content, subscribe to my channel, like my videos. Thank you guys, have a great day.